Well, good morning guys. As you know, my channel's called Glyn's Projects, and we've certainly got a bit of a project on today. We've decided to make a curved wall in the garden, and as you can see about here somewhere, there's a big gap. The problem is we are trying to get a piece of wood or some wooden fence to be in a curve. So take a look at this. So this is the wall that I've built. Took me quite a while, as you can see, and we've got to the area now where we've got a curved wall. So it's a case of what do I do? And I watched a few guys on YouTube where they've been sectioning wood with the ability to curve it. I've taken 3 attempts to do this. I don't think it's going to work for me. It's not a big curve by any means, but it's a decent curve. Don't know if you guys are out there have got any idea of what should I do regarding making a curved fence. Now bear in mind that I do want it to match that panel. So my idea is a single panel that goes from here all the way around to a pillar that will be there. So we're going to have 2 brick pillars, one there, one there. I don't know if you've got any suggestions on that, but I just thought I'd put it out there and see what anybody thinks.